Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the affected drive and backing up anything essential. Do that first. Once done, open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell window, right-click and choose Run as Administrator, because system-level changes require admin rights. Next, check the device, removable USB, SD card, or internal drive. The method varies. Make sure to note the drive letter and whether a physical lock exists on the media. Now you're ready to run the first, commands to query attributes and clear protection. Now you'll use diskpart to remove read-only flags. Type diskpart and press enter. Then run listdisk, select disk N for the target disk, and attributes disk clear read-only. This clears disk-level write protection. For specific partitions, use list volume, select volume X, then attributes volume clear read-only. If the device is removable and diskpart fails, edit the registry or use a trusted utility. But proceed cautiously and export the registry key first. Mistakes can harm Windows. After commands, finish by testing rights. Create a small file, copy data, or run format if necessary. Use chkdsk/f to repair file system errors. If write protection persists, inspect the media for a physical lock, update or reinstall disk drivers, and check firmware. Sometimes the device is failing. If unsure, try the media on another PC to isolate the problem. One key troubleshooting tip: use a reputable imaging tool to clone data off the drive before destructive fixes, because hardware failure is often irreversible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.